So guys, I'm on RPCS3 right now. I'm going to show in this video how we can add or install games to RPCS3. Now I have one RPCS3 game here. Usually RPCS3 games are zip just like this here because they are a very big size. So this is a zip file here, you can see. So I can't directly install the zip file to RPCS3. I'm going to have to extract it. So right click and then extract. You can use softwares like a RAR or 7-zip to extract the game file. I have the extracted game folder here. Let's open it. Now there can be 3 cases when you open the extracted game file. So we are on the first case right now. It shows that we have the ps3 game folder. So that means it's very easy. We can just drag this ps3 game folder and go to RPCS3 and drop it here, and it will just install the game. Now let's go to second case. When you open the extracted game folder, if you get your game in this format here, this image file or ISO file, then you're gonna have to go one step ahead, that is right click here and select the mount option, and then it will give you the ps3 game folder here, and you can just drag and drop on RPCS3 just like before. I'm not going to do that right now. So now let's go to third case. I have extracted another ps3 game file here. Let's open it, and the game file here is in pkg form here, pkg file. Drag this pkg file and go to RPCS3 and drop it. Tap on install to install this game, and it's been loaded here. I have covered all 3 cases that you might get. Now I'll give you one more pro tip, that is whenever you extract the game files, these all are the extracted ps3 game files, you can create one new folder and keep all these files inside a dedicated folder, that is ps3 games folder, and drag all these extracted files inside this folder so that it will be easier for you to locate them. And once you've got all your game files inside this dedicated folder, you can just proceed to install the games just like I have shown before.